I want to clear government services and I want to become a government officer one day. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं अभी भी वहीं पे हूँ, मैं अभी भी अपनी ड्रीम जी रहा हूँ. But then when I used to wake up, I used to realize कि नहीं, वो सपना टूट चुका है, वो सपना खत्म हो चुका है. And I was out of the league. I was out of the game. Depression, anxiety, anger, everything was acting on me very badly. But then one fine day.
नॉक नॉक, जॉब ढूंढ रहे हो तो फ्रेशर्स और 2021 में ग्रेजुएट होने वाले सभी स्टूडेंट्स ध्यान दें. अब रेज्यूमे से नहीं, काबिलियत से जॉब मिलेगी. और इसके बारे में और जानने के लिए ये जोश टॉक्स एंड तक देखें या फिर कमेंट्स में दिए गए लिंक पे क्लिक करें.
Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So, my name is Tushar Malik and I'm an officer in Enforcement Directorate, formerly known as ED. So basically this journey is about an ordinary guy who belongs to an ordinary business family. But the journey was quite extraordinary. So the journey starts when I got into my college. I was doing my BTech. I was in the final year of my BTech in my 7th semester. And during the final year of my BTech, I realized that I need something different in my life. And I remember in the college final year, in the 7th semester, the forces people had come into my college for the university entry scheme. The university entry scheme is basically a scheme which selects you when you're in the final year of your college. When they came, I had given the interview, but I didn't get selected. And I really didn't know the reason why. But that thing had hit me so hard that I wanted to go into the forces very badly. I started studying about the forces, how it works, how it functions, and everything about it. And after that, it was like I started giving my SSBs after a little bit of preparation. I prepared for like around about 4 or 5 months, and then I started giving my SSBs. My first 2 SSBs were of Indian Navy. In the first SSB, I remember I was conference out. I was not selected. And in the second SSB, I remember I was like screened out. I hadn't even cleared the first stage. But then when I went to give my third SSB was of Indian Army. I remember my SSB center was in Kapurthala. I gave my SSB and then I don't know how, I just got selected into it. That was my first attempt SSB for the Indian Army, but in total it was my third attempt. I got selected for OTA Chennai. I was so happy about it that I cannot even tell you. And I remember my joining date of the academy was 1st October 2016. I went there, it was my first day in the academy. And when I saw the gate of the academy, it was like a dream come true for me. I was so happy. And then I started the journey of the academy. Everything was going fine. But then, one fine day, I was doing rope gallows. And while doing the rope gallows, I don't know how, my hand just slipped when I was on the top of the rope. And when it slipped, I had fell down from the top of the rope gallows. After that, I remember I started developing some kind of problems. I mean, when I was doing the training is quite rigorous, as we all know that. While doing the training, I started developing some kind of problems there. I was having a lot of health issues during the training. So it's like after 3.5 months of my training, I decided that I'll drop out of the academy because I was not able to cope up with it. It was in the year 2017. मुझे अब तक अच्छे तरीके से याद है, जनवरी का महीना था. I came out of the academy. मैं घर आया. It was very bad phase of depression for me. Depression, anxiety, anger, everything was acting on me very badly. I didn't know what to do. मेरा दिमाग चलना बंद हो गया था, मेरा दिमाग सोचना बंद हो गया था. Because मैंने एक ड्रीम अचीव कर ली थी लाइफ में. But then वो अचीव करने के बाद, when I came back, I was like, I have to again start from scratch. I had to again start from zero. 2-3 महीना तो ऐसा रहा था कि मैं रात को सो ही नहीं पाया था क्योंकि मुझे एकेडमी के सपने आते थे. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं अभी भी वहीं पे हूँ, मैं अभी भी अपनी ड्रीम जी रहा हूँ. बट देन व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू वेक अप, आई यूज्ड टू रियलाइज कि नहीं, वो सपना टूट चुका है, वो सपना ख़त्म हो चुका है. तुम कहीं नहीं हो, तुम अपने घर पे हो और तुम्हें घर पे फिर से तैयारी करनी है और फिर से तुम्हें स्क्रैच से शुरू करना है. देन इट वॉज वन फाइन डे दैट वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड, ही टोल्ड मी अबाउट SSC CGL. And he was like that I should start preparing for SSC CGL. I didn't know anything about it, not even the basic structure of the exam. So I gathered the books which he told me to gather, and then I started reading about the books. So SSC CGL is an exam which consists of 4 tiers. Tier 1 is known as the prelims, Tier 2 is known as the mains, Tier 3 is known as the descriptive stage, and Tier 4 is known as the typing stage. And 2017 was my first attempt when I gave SSC CGL. I prepared quite well for the prelims. And in prelims, I remember I had scored quite good. My score in the prelims was like 162 out of 200 in the prelims. But then when I gave my mains, I didn't study a word at all for mains. Like not even a single word. And because of that, my total score was not good. So when the result came, the final cutout came out to be like 524. And I was out of the league. I was out of the game. I didn't even get the lowest most post which is there in SSC CGL. And because of that, I was quite shattered at that time. I had come out of the academy in the year 2017. Then 2018 also I was not able to clear any of the exam. It was like 2 years for me from the starting when I had come out of the academy, and I still couldn't get anything in my life. But still, I held on to the hope and I held on to the beliefs which I had in my life. Because I had one thing clear in my mind, that I want to clear government services and I want to become a government officer one day. That thing was really very clear in my mind. So it was like in the year 2019, I had filled the paper of SSC CGL 2018. I wasn't serious at that time, I remember. It was like I was giving the exams the way I was giving it 2 years back. I wasn't serious at all. But then it was like a turning point came in my life. I was attending one of my cousin's marriage. And we all know relatives are around, and we all know how relatives talk to us or how relatives treat us when we are in a struggling phase. We all know that. Everybody knows that. So it was like in the year 2019, I was at my brother's marriage. So it was like I was standing at the bar with my relatives and I was having a word with them, with all my cousins. And then one of my relatives came and he was like, he asked me, so kya chal raha hai zindagi mein? I was like, I told him that I'm still preparing for government exams. And his reply came, वो तो तुम 2017 से कर रहे हो, result क्या निकला उस चीज़ का? I was like, it takes time for cracking a government service and becoming a government officer, but he didn't know anything about it because he just had to pass a comment. So then he was like, at the end he said कि अगर तुम्हारे में capability नहीं है, क्यों नहीं तुम पापा का business कर लेते हो? And I don't know, when I heard that thing had hit me so hard that I couldn't even tell you. That night, all I was thinking about is becoming a government officer. That's the only thing which was there in my head. Because I was hell-bent on becoming a government officer. That thing had just ignited the fire in me. I was so much into anxiety because of it that I cannot even tell you. And after that, I started preparing for SSC CGL 2018. Preparation was also quite difficult, as we all know how competitive SSC CGL exam is. SSC CGL is more competitive exam than any exam because it's like 30 to 40 lakh people fill the exam and posts are very limited. जो भी ऑफिसर रैंक की पोस्ट होती हैं वो काफ़ी लिमिटेड होती हैं. आई रिमेंबर एंग्जाइटी एंड स्ट्रेस ऑलरेडी एक्टिंग ऑन मी सो मच. Depression was also there. I had to fight with all the three things during my preparation phase. And I was quite into alcoholism also, I remember. It was like so much I was into alcoholism when I dropped out of the academy that I cannot even tell you. But then I realized that if I want to do something in my life, if I want to achieve something in my life, I have to put a full stop on it. I have to control it. I have to cope up with the depression, anxiety, anger, and alcoholism. So then I started preparing. Tayari mein, I remember I covered the basic books first. All the basic books which were there over the net, I purchased it and I covered it. And after that I started giving mocks. Because mocks are very, very important. चाहे आप basic books उतने अच्छे तरीके से cover करें या ना करें, giving mocks is very much important. Because when you'll give mocks, you'll develop that speed. And when you'll develop that speed, you will be able to do well in the exam with more amount of accuracy. And accuracy is how much important in competitive exams, we all know that. Accuracy ही main game खेलती है आपको top 100 से top 10,000 में ले जाने में. I remember the prelims were in the month of June. I prepared quite well. My score in prelims was also quite good. And then came the stage of mains, which was there in the month of September. For mains also I prepared quite good. And I remember my final score after prelims and mains came out to be like 528 out of 600. I was very happy when the result came out because now I knew that I am going to get a good position in my life. Because I knew that 528 out of 600 is a good score to get a good rank in SSC CGL and to get a good position in SSC CGL. I was very happy. Then I was waiting for the Tier 3 to take place. And Tier 3 took place in the year 2019 in the month of December. I gave my Tier 3. The Tier 3 was also quite good. I was very much excited and I was very much happy because I was expecting a good score in Tier 3 as well. But then the lockdown took place. And when the lockdown was there, I was again into that phase of anxiety, depression, anger, and everything. But then still, I kept on to the hope. And after the final result was declared, finally we got to know about the department in the month of April 2021. I got assistant in Enforcement Directorate. And I was really very happy that I cannot even tell you. Because I always wanted two departments in my life, whether it be CBI or whether it be ED. So finally, I got it. So friends, I know many of us or many of you are preparing for government services and many of you are still struggling in your life to achieve something. I just have one suggestion for you. Hold on to your hopes. Hold on to the things which you think will give you the results. Just be confident enough. Just be patient enough. And always remember the 3 C's in life, which is consistency, calmness, and confidence. Consistency in the way that you should be consistent about whatever you are doing. जो भी कर रहे हो वो करते रहो, रुकना नहीं है तुम्हें. तुम्हारा एंड का एम जो है वो तुम्हारे सामने है, तुम्हारा लक्ष्य तुम्हारे सामने है. लक्ष्य को तुम्हें पाना है, लक्ष्य को पाने के लिए रुकना नहीं है. अगर एक बार ये एक जर्नी तुमने स्टार्ट कर दी है, मुड़ के पीछे नहीं देखना तुम्हें आगे बढ़ते रहना है और उस जर्नी की एंड पॉइंट को रीच करना है. कामनेस इन द वे कि तुम्हारे अगल बगल में चाहे तुम्हारे रिश्तेदार हों, चाहे तुम्हारे दोस्त हों, चाहे तुम्हारा कोई भी एक्विंटेंस हो, वो कुछ भी बोले, तुम्हें अपने अंदर पेशेंस और कामनेस बना के रखनी है. तुम्हें कभी भी अपना एंगर लूज़ नहीं करना, तुम्हें कभी भी अपने अंदर नेगेटिविटी नहीं लानी. तुम्हें हमेशा ये सोचना है कि मैं इतना पॉजिटिव हूँ, मैं इतना केपेबल हूँ कि मैं जो चाहूँ ज़िंदगी में वो पा सकता हूँ. तुम्हें कभी भी ये नहीं सोचना कि ये चीज़ हो नहीं सकती. तुम्हें हमेशा ये सोचना है कि ये चीज़ तो होके रहेगी, कैसे नहीं होगी. हमेशा ज़िंदगी में यही चीज़ तुम्हें याद रखनी है, क्योंकि अगर तुम ये चीज़ याद रखोगे और इसी चीज़ के साथ तुम तैयारी शुरू करोगे ज़िंदगी में, तो तुम हमेशा अपना लक्ष्य पा पाओगे. एंड एट द लास्ट आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट द थर्ड थिंग विच इज़ कॉन्फिडेंस. कोई भी तुम्हें कुछ भी बोले या तुम्हारी लाइफ में कुछ भी हो, यू नेवर हैव टू लूज दैट कॉन्फिडेंस. वो कॉन्फिडेंस अपने अंदर हमेशा बना के रखना है. इट्स अबाउट बीइंग ऑप्टिमिस्टिक और बीइंग पेसिमिस्ट, लाइक सीइंग अ ग्लास हाफ एम्प्टी और हाफ फुल. कई लोग ग्लास को हाफ एम्प्टी देखते हैं, कई लोग ग्लास को हाफ फुल देखते हैं. अब तुम्हें डिसाइड करना है कि तुम्हें ग्लास को कैसे देखना है. मैं हमेशा तुम्हें यही सजेशन दूंगा कि ग्लास को हमेशा हाफ फुल देखो. हाफ एम्प्टी देखोगे तो ज़िंदगी हमें हमेशा तुम नेगेटिव साइड्स देखते रह जाओगे. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे एंड दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माई साइड. थैंक यू सो मच.
अरे वाह, ये वीडियो पूरी देख ली, बहुत बढ़िया. दोस्तों, इस कोरोना काल में जॉब मिलना बहुत मुश्किल हो चुका है. हम में से कई ऐसे लोग होंगे जो काफ़ी समय से जॉब ढूंढ रहे होंगे, और हम में से कुछ ऐसे हैं जो इस साल या तो ग्रेजुएट होने वाले हैं या हो चुके हैं, लेकिन जॉब का कुछ अता पता नहीं. तो ऐसे में ज़रूरी है कि हम अपने रेज्यूमे से उठकर अपनी स्किल्स और अपनी काबिलियत पे जॉब पाके दिखाएं. इसीलिए जोश टॉक्स लेकर आया है जोश रिक्रूटमेंट टेस्ट, यानी कि JRT. ये भारत का पहला ऐसा टेस्ट है जो हमारी स्किल्स को टेस्ट करने के साथ साथ हमें पूरा फीडबैक प्रोवाइड करेगा, और कट ऑफ लिस्ट में आने वाले सभी कैंडिडेट्स को गारंटीड स्लॉट मिलेगा इंडिया की टॉप कंपनीज के साथ इंटरव्यू करने का. यही नहीं, टॉप स्कोरर्स जीत सकते हैं जोश स्किल्स ऐप की तरफ से 2 लाख तक के प्राइजेस. तो अब बिना किसी सरदर्दी के सिर्फ JRT के लिए प्रिपेयर करें और घर बैठे बैठे पाइए अपनी मन पसंदीदा जॉब. तो चलिए आज ही रजिस्टर करते हैं JRT के लिए और देते हैं अपने करियर को नई दिशा. और जानकारी के लिए कमेंट्स में दिए हुए लिंक पे ज़रूर क्लिक करें.